So guys, we are about to open the Music Library Box. This is a wonderful company that inspires a love through learning with music and reading. And it actually has all the materials you need for activities as well as a wonderful book. Should we open it? You think so? Okay, let's open. Let's see what's inside. Wow! So we have a wonderful book. This is Ada's Violin. Hold on, Madison. Hold on. Let's look. Ada's Violin. So this is actually a story of a recycled orchestra. And inside, these are children that have made instruments from recycled trash and performed at concerts all over the world to sold-out audiences. And look at the illustration. This book is beautiful. Let's see what's next. So inside, it also has a little pamphlet. I think you're going to be planting those. I think that's so cool. So inside, you're actually going to be able to make your own recycled instruments. You see Madison kind of checking out some goodies inside. We're making a straw pan flute and a cassava from Africa. This is amazing. What do you see? Oh, crayons that they say recycle on them. That is awesome. And then we also have some coloring sheets and a little tin can. They are necklaces, and we're going to be making something amazing with those. And we have some straws and tape and stickers. Oh my gosh, are you ready to have fun? Oh, look at that. You got a pencil. And it has, what's on the top? What's on the top of that? Earth, that's right. Well, we are about to have some fun. I am so excited. Can't wait to get started. Let's go.